Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing the else part in for loop in Python. Okay. So normally while writing programs we'll use else along with if, but in Python we can use else along with for loop also. Let us see how we can use it. So here I have taken a list, okay, or you can call it a set. In further videos we'll be seeing loops, we'll be seeing list, tuple, set and dictionary. Okay, so for now this is a set in which you can combine data of multiple types. This is string, this is a fractional number, and again this is a string. So this set is having three elements over here. Okay, so this is, now we are accessing each and every element with the help of for loop. So how to write for loop for this? For x in S. So this is S and this is X. Now X will point to every element at every iteration. Okay, and we are printing the value of X for each and every iterations. Now for the first iteration it will print, I'll write output here, apple, then 4.9, then cherry. Now when will the else part get executed? Once the for loop is done with all its iteration, then the control will come to the else part. Okay, so if suppose in some situations you are applying break statement, you are coming out of the loop, that time this else part is useful. Okay, so once you come out of loop, the else part is executed, and what is going to be displayed out there? Loop completed, and then this else is related to this for loop, and this statement is executed when you are done with for and else of for. Now it will display outside the, so look, this was all about how to use else part along with for loop in Python. Hope you understood this program, hope you understood this video. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share and comment. Thank you.